guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what I thought we would do is I have some greenery that I bought at Walmart, and I thought I would show you how you can take just 2 containers and really use that greenery to give yourself a farmhouse, French country, even a Tuscan look. So let me show you what I'm going to be using, okay? I have this basket here that I got at Joann's last fall. I got it on a deep clearance. I didn't pay much for it. I don't remember how much, but it wasn't much. And then I'm going to be using this container here that many of you probably remember me hauling from Hobby Lobby when we took our trip to Atlanta. And it was, I think it was right before, it was near New Year's, I believe. And I got this on a deep clearance. I didn't pay much for this either. And I'm gonna show you how to transform both of these, which are very pretty on their own. Okay, and then I just have this greenery here that I got at Walmart. I've already cut the tags off, but they were 97 cents, okay? So this could not be any easier. So let me go ahead and flip this down. Okay, the first thing that we will do is this little basket. This would be gorgeous to set anywhere in your home. And I love to use greenery. I think let me flip this. I think greenery really makes a house just look welcoming and beautiful. You can see all I did was put that in there, and that is gorgeous. I mean, it's beautiful. That would be beautiful setting anywhere. So all you have to do is just find you a bucket. You don't have to spend a lot of money at Hobby Lobby or anywhere. You can get it at Walmart. I think this is beautiful, okay? Now the next item is this grains little container here. Now, since it's taller, I'm gonna raise it. Now I just have a bunch of bags from different stores, and I'm gonna push this down in here, and I need some more. I'm just gonna push that in there. I'm gonna take this same greenery. I mean, you really don't need any skills at all. And then I'm just gonna put it right in there. The only thing I would suggest is maybe a little bit more greenery. I need some more bags. Just make sure you have enough bags to give you the height that you want. I'm gonna take this same greenery and just put it down in here. Now you might want to get more. I have like 8 of these stems, but I think this is really pretty. It totally elevated this little container till it's gorgeous. I love it. So I really hope that you enjoyed these 2 little quick looks of how you can take greenery and totally transform a container and your home very inexpensively. Now I'm pretty sure my husband is off Friday before Easter. He's off Good Friday, and then he's off the Monday after Easter. So I want to spend time with him, so I'm not going to be uploading this Friday or Monday. I'll still put up my planner tomorrow, but I wanted to bring you something really quick today. I'm really excited to spend time with him. We have some projects we want to work on. If we get into anything really interesting, I'll film it and then show you on Tuesday. So I wanted to wish everyone a happy Easter. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed Easter with your friends and family. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.